Morning, dear students. This is lesson 11, the soil. In this lesson, we are going to study about soil. Look at this map. It has got various colors. These are the colors according to the soils present in our country. So you can see so many varieties of soil is there. See in this key given here, India soil. The yellow color is for desert soil, then sub-mountain soil, laterite soil, red and yellow soil, red soil, glacier soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, black soil and grey soil. So you couldn't have imagined that there are 10 different kinds of soil present in India. Now according to this you can see the map and you can understand which area has which kind of soil. As you can see, this area has black soil. We studied this in some lesson when we studied about plateaus, that this area have black soil and is good for growing cotton. Soil is an important natural resource. It forms the basis of life. Without soil, agriculture would not be possible and plants will not grow. Directly or indirectly, all living beings depend on it. Soil is the topmost layer of the surface of the earth. So we know that all agriculture, plants, everything grow on soil and it is very important for living beings. Soil is the topmost layer of the surface of earth. Surface of earth के सबसे ऊपर वाली layer पे soil होता है. Soil is formed very slowly. Breaking of the rocks result in the formation of soil. जब rocks break होते हैं तो soil बनते हैं. But ये बहुत ही slow process होता है. It takes millions of years. Forces of nature like water, air and temperature break the rocks into tiny particles. With the passage of time, these tiny particles form soil. It takes thousands of years to form 1 centimeter thick layer of soil. केवल 1 centimeter thick layer of soil बनने में ही thousands of years लग जाते हैं. Soil in India varies from region to region. This variation helps in the growth of different types of crops and trees. Now, what is the use of having so many different types of soil in India? That we can have different types of crops and trees. Fertile soil is required for the cultivation of crops. Manures and fertilizers make the soil fertile. Hence, farmers add them to soil before sowing the seed. किसी भी क्रॉप को ग्रो करने के लिए सॉइल का फर्टाइल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसकी वजह से फार्मर्स मैन्योर्स एंड फर्टिलाइज़र्स उसमें ऐड करते हैं. मैन्योर्स वी गेट नेचुरली एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स आर मेड ऑफ केमिकल्स. द सॉइल ऑफ इंडिया कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 मेजर ग्रुप्स. दे आर alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Let us study about them in detail. Here you saw 10 categories. Out of those, these 6 categories are the major categories. Now we study about alluvial soil. The Himalayan rivers and the rivers in the Deccan Plateau bring down large quantity of sand and silt and deposit them on their banks. हिमालय से जो रिवर्स आती है और जो डेक्कन प्लेटू में जो रिवर होती हैं वो अपने साथ सैंड और सिल्ट लेकर के आते हैं और बिफोर गोइंग टू द सी दे डिपॉजिट. रिवर्स सी में जाने से पहले उन सबको छोड़कर जाती है बैंक्स में अपने साइड. बिफोर फॉलिंग इनटू द सी द लैंड दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट देयर इज़ कॉल्ड बैंक्स. और रिवर जहाँ से होकर गुजरती है अपने बैंक्स में, अपने दोनों साइड के लैंड पे ये सैंड और सिल्ट छोड़ते हुए जाती है. This is alluvial soil and this soil is mostly found in the northern plains in the deltas of the Deccan Plateau. The soil is very fertile. Crops like rice, wheat, maize, tobacco, cotton, oilseeds and sugarcane, pulses, jute and vegetables grow well in this soil. So here you can see alluvial soil is of this color, no? And where do we find this? In the northern plains we find this and this part of deltas. यहाँ क्यों मिलते हैं? Because the rivers flow from west to east in the Deccan Plateau. Before going into the Bay of Bengal, they deposit all this here. A little we get here. Okay, so this is alluvial soil and these are the crops that grow well in the alluvial soil.